Now we're going to focus on the pictures on our webpage. So this top one, I don't want these people. They have nothing to do with Harry Potter. So if you have a top banner picture, you should be able to see change image. If you put your mouse up there, you can click it. You can go to select image, and then you can just do search, and this will search Google for you. So I'm going to put in Harry Potter and just kind of pick one that I think will look nice on my top of my page. Let's see. Kind of like this one. So I'm going to do select. So now I have the wand over top of the book, and I think that looks nice. So I'm going to leave it like that. So that one's pretty easy to switch. Other pictures are a little bit trickier. So if you're going to need to put in other images. If you already have one, you can just kind of click on it and then click on it again, and this toolbar will come up. So click it twice, but not super fast. And then these little three dots are where you can replace the image. So we do need to save an image to our computer first. So I'm going to open up a new tab. I searched for Harry Potter books. I went to images, and I thought this one, what one did I click? This one looked pretty good, and I opened it up on its page. So here's my picture I want. I need to right click on it and do save image as. So you'll most likely have to open it up from Google Photos and do save image as, because you need it to save as a JPEG. So I can change the name if I want to and push save. So again, there it is going into my downloads. Save. I'll go back to my web page, and now I can click on it once, click on it again, and get this toolbar. I'll do replace image, and I'm going to upload an image. And there it is. I'm going to click on my Harry Potter one and do open. So it's not sized very well, so I'm resizing mine so you can see all the books. There we go. So a lot of this website works kind of how you would think. So you'll figure out a lot of this on your own, but that's how you get different images in, and you can add in more just by clicking on images over here and kind of dragging where you think you want something. So I can go to images, upload. Sorry, that didn't work. We'll talk more about that later. But see if you can redo the images that are already on your page to match your choice. Okay, nice job.